Hello friends, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wide Loop Robotic and Automation. Today we are going to learn button control LED with PIC microcontroller. We will learn programming and schematic diagram. Let us get started. You can see this is circuit diagram. Here I am using PIC 16F877A controller, and this is crystal oscillator 8 MHz, and this is 22 picofarad capacitor. This is ICSP connector. You can connect directly PIC3 programmer here, and this is switch. This is 10 kilo ohm pull down resistor, and this is LED which is connected on D0 pin, and button is connected on RC0 pin. Here if I will press the switch, then this LED will glow. If I will release the switch, this LED will turn off. So now we will see programming. I will go to start button and I will search MPLAB IDE. This is MPLAB IDE. First of all, I will go to new project. So I will create new project and click over here standalone project, and next go to controller family, it's mid-range family, and here I will type controller name PIC 16F877A. okay, and here I will select PIC3 programmer. I have already connected PIC3 programmers, that's why it is showing here. And next, and select XE8 compiler. Project name, I will type here project name button, and next. Click over source file and right click over here and go to new and create main.c file, main, and finish. You can see this is editor. So first of all we have to set bit configuration. So go to production and set configuration bit. This is FOSC oscillator selection bit. I am using external oscillator and that is 8 MHz. So I will select HS, and watchdog timer should be off, and power up timer enable bit off, and brownout reset enable bit off. No, I will turn on this brownout reset enable bit, and LVP turn off, LVP and CDP also turn off. We no need to turn on this flash program memory write enable bit, so I will turn off this, and CP also turn off. Okay, create source code output. I will copy this and paste here. Okay, I will drag down. Here I will define crystal frequency. So as define underscore xtal underscore freq FREQ, and it is 8 MHz. So 8 0 0 0 0 and 0 0. Okay, now I will initialize as a input button. So button is connected on, you can see button is connected on RC0 and LED is connected on RD0. So trace C0, button is connected on C0, so we have to initialize as a input, so it is 1, and LED is connected on D0 pin, so I will initialize as a output, trace D0, it is 0 because it is output, and I will keep by default both pin low. So RD0 equal to 0 and RC0 equal to 0. Now I will use infinite loop. So while, and I will pass here 1. I will use here if statement. So if button will high, it means button is connected on RD0, so RD0 equal to 1, then LED should turn on. LED is connected on RC0. Once again, button is connected on RC0 and LED is connected on RD0. So button is connected on RC0, this is input, and RD0 is output. If RC0 equal to 1, then RD0 will be turned on, and else RD0 equal to 0, means LED will turn off. This is 0 and this is 0, not O. Now code is ready. So first of all, I will turn on power from Pickit 3 programmer. So set project configuration and customize. Click over Pickit 3 and option categories, power, check here plus 5 voltage and OK. Now everything is ready. Now I will upload the code. Okay. Code has been uploaded successfully. Now I will press the button. Cool. You can see LED is glowing when I press the button, and when I release the button, LED is turned off, and again press the button, LED is turned on. So you can see this is working good. So friends, if you really like my video, you can support me on PayPal and Patreon. PayPal and Patreon ID is given in description box, and don't forget to press like button, subscribe button and share button. Thanks for watching.